Home to South by Southwest music, film, gaming, and interactive, Austin is now the birthplace of augzoo, a revolutionary way to experience the world. Augzoo is an augmented reality medium that you can access for free from the palm of your hand. Open augzoo. Give access to the camera, which is how it shows you the augmented reality. Allow access to your location, which helps augzoo know where to deliver content. augzoo uses your camera, gyroscope, and GPS to merge virtual objects with the real world. Pick an exhibit and interact with the augmented reality to hear audio, play video, or learn more about an object. You can also use the main menu to switch between exhibits. augzoo hosts digital exhibits across different sites, and you can travel to different locations to interact with the augmented reality exhibits. augzoo AR exhibits feature photos as well as audio and video clips.
This is Jimmy's grass, where Jimmy likes to lay around.
Contact augzoo today to find out how you can add your content to augmented reality.